I'm going to show you how you can send personalized message to all the form submission new leads you're receiving from Google Forms just in few minutes. You simply have to build a connection between Google Forms and Pabbly Chatflow to send a WhatsApp message. Personalized messages like this. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Forms with Pabbly Chatflow. If you also want to learn how you can create the setup for your business, let's start creating this from the beginning. So we are going to see how we can connect Google Forms to WhatsApp in just few minutes using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly. You can visit this by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks. Use those tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect. I will be able to find the workflows here and the folders here. Now we are going to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on create from scratch. Name this workflow as contact new leads on WhatsApp in under 1 minute, and now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'll select as WhatsApp automations and then click on create. Here workflow is created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new form submission, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to this customer, which means whenever there will be new form submission, this complete workflow here will get triggered. So in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Forms, and in my trigger event, I'm going to select new response received and then click on connect. Now I need to make a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Forms for whichever webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Forms with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. For that, I'm going to open my Google Forms. Now over here you can see that I have created this contact form. I have all these fields: name, email, phone, address, and city. I'm going to go towards the responses and then click on this view in sheets first. As the sheet opens, you can see all the fields. Contact form, here I have the fields for this: name, email, phone, address, and city. Name, email, phone, address, and city. I'm going to fill this form, and then you will see all the details will be added here, and from here I will be sending the details to my workflow. So for that, I'm going to go towards this copy respondent link, copy the link of this form in a new tab, and then I will do the form submission. I will enter some dummy details, and all these details should be added to my spreadsheet. The name is new lead. The email address is newlead@pabblytudes.com. Then I will enter my phone number as this one. Then I will enter my address as Old Street 1100 and the city as Bhopal. I'll click on the submit and then open my spreadsheet to check whether the details are added to this attached spreadsheet or not. And here it is, the details are added. Now we have to follow the process of creating this webhook setup. For that, we have to go towards the extensions, click on this add-ons, click on this get add-ons. Here Google Workspace Marketplace will appear in front of me where I have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks, and you will see that I have already installed this, so it is showing installed. But if you are doing this for the first time, please make sure that you follow the same process and install this. After doing this, your Pabbly Connect webhooks will start appearing over here. So you have to go towards this initial setup where a small dialog box will appear where you have to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. We are going to enter or copy this webhook URL from this workflow and open the spreadsheet where this box has appeared. Now here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have just copied, and the trigger column. So it's written the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that data will be sent to the webhook URL. Here my final data entry column is column F, which means whenever the data will be added in this particular column, the complete raw data will be sent to the workflow. I'm going to click on this send test, and you will see the test data will be sent successfully. I'm going to open my workflow and check whether the details are sent or not. Here we are waiting for the webhook response. and we have captured the response. So we can say the details are same. We have to go back towards the spreadsheet, and to create this webhook connection we have to make sure that we click on this submit, and you will see setup configured successfully. So which means the webhook is added successfully. Now we have to follow a very important step. We have to go towards the extensions, click on this Pabbly Connect webhooks, click on the send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. Now as you can see that I have received these details. The name is new lead, email address is newlead@pabblytutor.com, the city is Bhopal, address is 1100 Old Street, then we have the phone number as 9090. So here we have all the details. Here as soon as we have received the details, we can see the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new form submission, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new form submission, I want to send a WhatsApp message. I'll click on this add new action step, and with the help of Pabbly chat flow, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message. In the action event, I'm going to select send text message and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I have to enter the token. In the help desk, a hyperlink is given, and if I click on this, I will be redirected towards the all Pabbly apps page, from where you have to go towards this Pabbly chat flow access now, and you will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly chat flow, where on the left hand side you can see this APIs and webhooks. Under settings, you have to open. You have to copy this and paste it over here, and then you have to save that. I've already have an existing connection. I've created this connection multiple times, so I'm going to save this. You will see Pabbly chat flow will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the details. I'm not going to enter the details like this manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / go towards this Google Forms and enter the phone number. Now I have to enter the country code, but without the plus sign. But over here I have received just the phone number, so I'm going to manually enter the country code and then map the phone number like this. And then I'm going to enter the WhatsApp message. So this is the WhatsApp message which I have entered. Hi, welcome to Prime Property Consultant. Thanks for getting in touch. We have received an inquiry and our team will be happy to help you with the best available properties. Feel free to reply here with the requirements or the questions. We'll get back to you shortly. And to send a personalized message, I am going to send the name of this person in this message. Hi, new lead, like this. Now you see over here, we have mapped the details instead of manually entering it, because mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. So here I have entered the details. I'm going to enter the name in this name field, and I'm going to remove this dummy phone number and enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message on the execution of this workflow. So just for now, I have removed the phone number. In the opt-in incoming block, I am not going to enter any of these fields. I'm going to skip this. I just want to send the WhatsApp message. If you want to enter, you can enter following the help desk given below. I'll hit save and send test request and wait for the response. Here I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received any message or not. So here it is. I have received this message. Hi, new lead. Welcome to Prime Property Consultant. Thanks for getting in touch with us. We have received this message. So here we have received this message, a personalized message. So as soon as the form submission was done, all the details were added to the spreadsheet. From the spreadsheet, all the details were added to the workflow. From the workflow, this personalized message was sent. And this is how we have built the connection between Google Forms and Pabbly chat flow using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.